channel.
In our last video, we have seen how to display LED lights and to play music on a MICROBIT. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the rock, paper, scissors game in your MICROBIT. First, drag and drop the on-shake block from input. Let's create a new variable. We'll name it choice. Place the set choice to inside the on-shake block. From math, take the fixed random block and place it inside set choice to block. Pick random from 0 to 2. Now, drag and drop the if block. From the logic, take the comparison block and place it inside the if block. Now select the choice variable and place it into the comparison block. From basic, take show icon and place it inside the if block. So if the choice is equal to 0, show the icon of scissors. Else, it's duplicated. Else, if the choice is 1, show the icon of paper. If it's neither 1 nor 0, that is if the choice is 2, show the icon of rock. In the beginning, let's tell the user to shake the MICROBIT. For this, let us use the show string and write shake. Let us now take a look at the preview. You can see that the MICROBIT randomly generates rock, paper and scissor icons. Give your program a name and download it to your MICROBIT. You can try playing this game using 2 MICROBITs. And make sure you have subscribed